Far from the waiting crowds, a small group from Carmen are pulling out all the stops to make sure their team brings home the crown. If you think the men have it tough, the women have to squeeze into elaborate rattan and wire costumes, despite the stifling heat. 4 men and 3 women will serve as human ornaments to decorate their float, standing motionless for 4 hours until the festival is over. But first they have to get to the float and figure out how to climb on board. At last, "3 hours to go, and standing proud."